Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces. So Pisces, lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, under the deck, Queen of Swords and Four of Pentacles. I think you are setting boundaries. You are very straightforward. You want best, you deserve best. And there is communication is coming with clarity. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and Two of Cups. This is soulmate connection and this is mutual love. You both have strong emotions towards each other. Two of Cups is here and Nine of Pentacles with Eight of Swords. But in relationship wise, in past, you're feeling stuck. You are unable to make any move, but there is love. There is love and strong love between you and your person, and that love is mutual. And middle Nine of Pentacles, maybe you are concentrating more on your career because in relationship you are feeling stuck. Maybe something happened between you and your person. So, but your financial situation is very good. You are creating more money. You are very independent person. Then present, Judgment, Knight of Pentacles and the Lovers. Yes, Two of Cups with the Lovers. Love is there between both of you. And Knight of Pentacles, I think someone is coming towards you, but they are in very slow moving energy, but this person is very serious about you. Maybe if you are in separation with your person, they are coming back to offer stability and to offer marriage. I think you are going to be make some major decision in the month of April because the Judgment is here. Regarding your career, regarding your life, whatever, definitely you are going to be make some major decision. Then future, the Fool, Eight of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. I think you are also waiting for someone or for something because Seven of Pentacles energy is here. You are also waiting for them or for someone or for something. And Eight of Pentacles. So 7 to 8. Definitely there is some growth is coming. Someone is ready to offer new beginnings with you. It could be a new person. It could be a past person. Doesn't matter. But someone is ready to offer new beginnings. The Fool. Someone want to take leap of faith. I think they worth waiting for because you are waiting is giving result. Seven of Pentacles to Eight of Pentacles. And your money is looking very good, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Gemini. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Page of Swords. They are spying on you. They are wondering about you. They are watching you online, Pisces. So let's see their feelings. Emperor, Death, Horn, Rebirth and Ace of Cups, Seven of Pentacles. I think you both are waiting for each other. I think Sagittarius and Pisces readings almost every time 50% is same. So yes, your person may be waiting. They are also waiting mode And Emperor, I think your person having some ego also. They are also very powerful, stand by their power, and they want rebirth in this connection if you are in separation. And your person loves you. Ace of Cups is here. Definitely there is love, because Two of Cups is here. Gemini, the Lovers card is here, and Ace of Cups. Definitely there is love between both of you. So let's see their intentions. Pisces. Two of Wands. Four of Cups. The Magician. And Justice. I think they want to be with you. They want second chances. Justice, Libra, the person involved in this connection could be. So, marriage. Your person manifesting you. Yes, the Magician. They're thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Right now they're feeling alone without you. They're feeling bored without you. Four of Cups. They're feeling missed opportunity with you, but they're manifesting you. Yes, energetically they are manifesting you. And Two of Wands, maybe for some you person have option, but they are going to be choose you, because there is strong love between both of you, and your person will coming back for second chances, and they are manifesting you back again into your life if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They're missing you, they're manifesting you, and they're thinking about you a lot. Yes, Page of Cups. Maybe your person is immature, the Moon. Yes, they are manifesting you, and if they did something wrong to you in past, they are coming back with an apology. Page of Cups, some text or message is coming. And King of Cups. Yes, your person have so much love for you, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Pisces, they love you. I think you both are in no contact situation. Pisces, you are now healing yourself doing meditation, but you are also thinking about them. And Queen of Pentacles with Chariot. Right now you are concentrating on your career. And Chariot, you also want to take this relationship to next level, but you are not showing. Chariot is also slow moving. Definitely there is some moving is coming. Movement is coming in this connection in near future. And you are very caring and giving person. Wow. I think you both are on the same level in every area. That is, you both are very strong, you both are very powerful, you both are very straightforward in nature, because the Empress and Six of Pentacles is here. I think there is equal give and take is coming. In past in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. One person treated other person as an option. But now you both realized your mistakes. Now there is equal give and take is coming. Yes, they're coming back. They're manifesting you, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Pisces or Libra. And you both are very strong independently. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Pisces. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. So your dreams need a practical plan. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, so you need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus, and confidence is your key to success. So be confident while you're doing your work, especially in your career. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.